Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
Alrighty, let's start with the star of today's show, avocado. We're gonna add a little organic tomato, some fresh organic spring greens, an organic cucumber, some chickpeas, organic. And we're gonna dress it with olive oil, some balsamic. We're gonna cheat with a little ranch dressing and some seasonings. Mike Foster here. Today it's a killer avocado salad. Really good for summer. We're gonna get a little protein from the chickpeas. Oh, it's gonna be healthy for you. And a nice break from a fried egg sandwich. Let's put this baby together. Let's prep the cuke. We're gonna put about this much in it, and then we're just gonna slice the sides like this. I'm gonna quarter it like this, and just like that. I have this nice bowl. I'm gonna pop those babies in here. And we get this beautiful tomato. Take the back part off here, slice it in half like this, bring it across like this, and then chop those babies up like this into the bowl. Started today's show, avocado. Cut this part off, toss it. Now you just run the knife around it like this. See this baby? Pop it out like this. Put it there. Let's just chop it up. I'm gonna put this whole avocado in. Use this nice knife that scoops where? In the bowl. You can always use a spoon to scoop the rest of the avocado like that. See it? Flip it, perfect. And then you do the same thing. A few slices like that. A few slices like this. This is an avocado salad. Use this knife to scoop it up. Look at that. That's the Cutco knife. Put that stuff right there. Oh, that's gorgeous. What's left? Put a few of these fresh greens on top. Just mix it with your hands so you can get that avocado on the top. Lastly, chickpeas. You're gonna get your protein from here. Really good flavor. Add those babies as much as you want. That's a lot. A little fresh cracked pepper. Put it around the plate, makes it look pretty. 1 crack of salt to bring out the flavors. I'm gonna put some basil and put a little on the plate too, make it look pretty. And then some coriander seed, which is really flavorful. Also known as cilantro. A little olive oil, extra virgin of course. A little balsamic vinegar. And just for controversy, just a pretty amount of ranch. There's your close-up. It looks even better. Something even better than that is a big bite coming up. Can't wait. Here's that killer avocado salad with all that other good stuff in it. You watch the video, you know what's in it. Now it's going to be in me. The dressing pops off first. I'm getting nothing but chickpeas here, but I love them. You know what I taste? That coriander. Here's a big chunk of that avocado. Creamy. And you get some fresh tomatoes in there. Soak it up with these greens. There it is. That's the one right there. And that extra virgin olive oil is delicious. Killer salad for the summer or anytime. Use fresh ingredients and try different things and keep living life 365. Check out my website and my YouTube channel. Until next time. Oh my gosh, peace.
Live life 365.
Gorgeous. And some that's what she said. Here's that killer avocado salad. Here's that killer avocado. Jesus Christ, I can't say avocado. I'm looking, where's that fried egg? I can't find the fried egg. Just kidding. This is what Mike eats most of the time. The fried eggs and the Mike eats the streets are for you guys. I like them too, but this is sweet babu. This one's really good. That's what she said. Baba.